Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase blog traffic with WordPress, beginner guide step by step clearly. To increase blog traffic with WordPress, start by selecting a niche. Choose a specific topic that you are passionate about and knowledgeable in. Research your niche to understand your target audience better. Identify keywords that your audience is searching for. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner to find popular keywords. Install a reliable SEO plugin, such as Yoast SEO or Rank Math. Configure the plugin according to your site's needs. Optimize your blog posts with the keywords you've identified. Create engaging and informative content that addresses your audience's questions. Aim for at least 1,000 words per post for better ranking potential. Utilize headings and subheadings to enhance readability. Insert images and multimedia to make your posts visually appealing. Ensure all images have relevant alt tags for SEO purposes. Set up social sharing buttons to encourage readers to share your posts. Share your content on social media platforms relevant to your audience. Join online communities and forums related to your niche to promote your blog. Consider guest posting on larger blogs to reach broader audiences. Engage with your readers by responding to comments on your blog and social media. Build an email list by offering a freebie or newsletter subscription. Analyze your traffic using Google Analytics to see which posts perform best. Adjust your strategy based on the data insights you gather. Keep your website optimized for speed and performance. Choose a mobile-friendly theme to ensure a good user experience. Regularly update older blog posts with fresh content and keywords. Network with other bloggers and collaborate to expand your reach. Stay consistent in posting new content to keep your audience engaged. Monitor your blog's performance and continue to refine your strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.